Welcome to the Google ZK and AI Summit.
Every year, we bring together a bunch of partners, developers, large exchanges, players in the crypto space, and researchers. And I got to say, after we did this last year, I thought it couldn't get any better. The fact that we folded in some of the ZK work that's going on along with AI, there is not a better time to hold the summit.
We have a fantastic crew that has come over from all around the world across ZK, AI, and Web3. I think we can see the ZK topics getting a lot more real and closer to applications versus last year. And I think it's great to also see AI is top of mind for everyone.
I think it's fantastic to see how practitioners and researchers are really hanging out together, and we can see our brains fuzzing.
We were here to present about our zero knowledge iris code upgrade system.
As cryptographers ourselves, basically, it's nice to see that there is interest outside of just the blockchain space, even if a lot of the applications of ZK Tech are still to blockchain and Web3 technologies.
It is just really cool, something that could be so widespread to be using zero knowledge proofs, just to show that it's possible to use the technology at such a big scale.
It's an exciting technical summit where we have a lot of experts and practitioners both from the zero knowledge space and the AI space. I think that's a very, very unique opportunity for people with diverse backgrounds to interact.
I thought East was East and West was West, and ZK and AI would never meet. But in fact, in this summit, there's been a lot of interesting interactions. The communities are actually quite intertwined and seem to be headed towards working together.
Google is a great standards bearer and a massive contributor to the open source world, and it's one of the few brands that can bring together a lot of great scientists and great engineers. So whatever technology Google chooses to adopt, usually it becomes a technology that standardizes the internet.
There's a lot of interest in ZK at the moment. As we've seen, there's a lot of ZK VMs coming out of the Web3 space, and a lot of people trying really cool stuff.
And so as we get ready to launch a privacy-centric ZK-based blockchain, it's really exciting to be working now on what's coming next after that launch with broad community out in the open and developing privacy for the future.
We work with the Google Cloud, and it's really good to see that they're bringing all different people with so much expertise from all over the world under one roof.
ZK is a very core technology in cryptography. We have the hardware and software solutions, so that needs the coordination, and we need ZK.
We are helping AI builders in the ecosystem make Ethereum the home for AI, machine learning, settlements. We are very excited about this new direction and also the potential collaboration with these organizations that obviously similar to us at the EF care a lot about open source.
I'm here because I'm exploring the use of TEs and how TEs and ZK ML can be applied to make agents more safe or to allow data to be accessed by agents safely.
I'm really interested to learning more about what tooling exists for enterprise applications and traditional software stacks to be more integrated onto blockchain specifically.
We no longer have to just trust, we can just verify.
I've been working in ZK, but I'm not that expert in AI. And seeing all the work that's doing in the space in AI, it's very new for me and very interesting.
Over the last year, I think a lot of progress has happened, and to see that at this event was amazing, as well as in the intersection of zero knowledge and AI. I did my PhD probably 2 decades back, and when I first learned zero knowledge, it's hard not to fall in love with it.
I think what we're trying to do here is demystify each of these three in a meaningful way by getting practitioners and researchers together.
To me, a key takeaway would be that people collaborate more and do more stuff to the good of Web3.
One of the things that I think is probably the most treasured part about doing this at Google is that we can hold a forum with a number of different partners, all with different perspectives, and create this space for everyone to start thinking about what does tomorrow look like. This is the best time.